sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up.
Alright, let's go. We got lots of packages to take. These are the ones I need to take to the post office. And these four are pretty local, so I'm gonna try to hand deliver them. I said in the last vlog, well not in the last vlog, one of the vlogs when we did the merch shop, that I was gonna try to hand deliver some of these packages. I've done it in the past, I think with like the GTR merch, the unicorn merch, and it was sick to see like people's reactions when I knock at your door and I'm hand delivering you the merch. Hopefully everybody's there. The last time we made this video, some people weren't there, or some people weren't home, and I feel so bad because they probably watched the vlog the next day and they were like, no way Nick was at my front door. So we'll see. Hopefully we get some good reactions today. We got like 4 packages. They're pretty local. We're gonna drive the F80 and hand deliver those packages. These ones are pretty far. Some of these are like in different states, so we gotta take these to the post office. Unfortunately, I can't hand deliver everything. I wish I could, but imagine. I think there's one in here that's to like the UK or something like that. The craziest one I found was someone was from where was it at?
Dubai?
No, Dubai. One of the merch shops there was someone from Dubai, but this merch shop it was someone from Israel. Like, bro, it's crazy. People buy merch from all over. It's just insane. I'm so thankful. I'm super blessed. And again, we still got these white shirts on sale, guys. There's only a few more left. I think the Go Faster pussy shirts, those shirts are gone. I think I literally ordered more too, and even those are gone. Like the Bass Pro Shop hats, I think we have like maybe 2 more of those left. I even ordered more of those too. So we oversold on some of this stuff. So thank you guys, I appreciate it. And anyone that hasn't got the merch, don't worry, it's on the way, guys. I'm trying to catch up on the orders. We still got like 100 more orders I need to ship out still. So I'm sorry for the delay, guys, but your orders will be there soon, I promise. Just give it like another week or maybe 2, and that's it. No later than that. But yeah, go cop this merch if you guys haven't already. We still got some of this. The white shirts and I believe the red hats are still available, but not much. We only got like maybe like 10 or 20, that's it. Anyways, let's go. Video, we replaced the slave cylinder. That's all it was. I thought it was the full clutch, but thankfully it was just a slave cylinder. It was like $100. It was leaking, I guess, and that's why we kept having to put brake fluid in every single morning and pump the clutch. The clutch feels good now. I think we're back to normal. Also, in the last video, I said I thought we were gonna get the GTR back today, but unfortunately we are not. My boy that's helping me put the GTR trans back together, we had to replace. Okay, so 4th gear went out the first time. We got it replaced, put the trans in, and a week later, as you guys know, it was like a month later, but only like a week worth of driving. Now 5th gear went out. I don't understand my luck, I don't get it. Last time we kept the original gears that were in the car and we just replaced the one that was broken. This time around, I found a full set of gears for a GTR transmission, OEM, but they only have 8,000 miles on it. So 8,000 miles compared to how many miles I have on the actual car, the trans now should be pretty much like new. So hopefully we have no more issues with the trans. I was hoping to get it back today, but my boy went out of town for a week, so we'll get it back next Monday now, not this Monday. Next Monday, guys, we should have the GTR back, and we can start driving that again. I miss the GTR so much. All right, guys. First, 13-minute drive, not bad. To Luis. We on the way, Luis. What if he's not there? I don't feel so bad. All right, guys, the first house. Dude, I got so nervous last time. I'm getting nervous again. I'm pretty sure it's this house, though, with the BMW. Alright, without showing his address, look at the E46 that he has. I'm pretty sure we're at the right house, but they also got 2 scary dogs, so... So I don't know if I'm gonna go in there. Should I just rev my car? Maybe someone will come out. Maybe he'll hear the revving and be like, what is that outside? What's up, puppy? Is your dad home? Oh, you look like a cutie. You don't look like you'll hurt anyone, huh? Oh boy, or girl, I think you're a girl. You got an E46 though? I know we're at the right house. Nick, Finding Nick.
Oh shit, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro? I literally was gonna hand deliver some packages, and you're one of the people I was gonna hand deliver. And I'm in front of your house.
Dude, I'm literally on my way to school right now.
Oh, dude, I try to come after like school maybe, but I have your package.
I was actually looking for I'm like, wait, I wonder if it has a shift.
Yeah.
No way, bro. I'm so sorry about that right now.
No, it's all good. I feel bad, but where should I leave it at?
Okay, I really appreciate you, bro.
Of course, bro. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, brother.
Thank you.
Let me know how the merch is.
I'll let you know. Thank you.
Oh, guys, he wasn't home, but good thing I found his number on the website. He sounded bummed that he missed me, but I guess he's going to school right now. All right, on to the next stop. Let's see. I told you guys I was gonna hand deliver some merch. That's why I tell you guys, every merch drop, I might do this. And these lucky people are getting me to come to their house, so don't forget, next drop, guys. Make sure you have something, because I might be knocking on your door. Little 15-minute drive, we at the next house. I'm gonna come in super obnoxious to your guys' house. But wait, what was that?
Oh my god. No?
We're having bad luck, guys. She doesn't have a doorbell. It's in this one. It's like 2 doors. What if he's in there? In front of his house. He has no idea. Doesn't Andreas live here?
Andres.
Yeah. He ordered
Oh,
something.
Andres, sí. Andres, sí. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is he here or no?
Sí.
You want to tell
Yes.
him that I dropped it off?
Yes.
Nick.
'Cause it's from my clothing brand. So he
Oh.
might know who it is.
He told me something like that.
Yeah.
Let me.
Okay. Yeah, you can ask him.
Oh, okay. Thank
Okay.
you. This is sleeping bad.
Oh. He watches my videos maybe.
I watch your videos.
Oh, you too? Thank you. I appreciate that, guys. No worries. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Andreas, you're asleep, bro. Wake up. We're not having good luck, guys. My boy Andreas is asleep. He thought he was dreaming. His mom tried to wake him up, but he wouldn't wake up. All right, one more, guys. Hopefully he's home. You guys are all gonna watch the vlog and be like, "Wow, Nick was at my front door. And I didn't even come outside." My boy Andreas was over here asleep. Please be home, bro. Can we get one reaction? Can I surprise somebody?
Bro, you're lying, dog.
Are you Ulysses? What's up?
Lying,
Is that you?
Yeah, bro.
Here you go, bro. I said I was gonna hand deliver some packages.
Yeah,
but-
bro, y'all caught me eating right now, too.
It's all good.
We don't have to put it in.
Nice.
That's fire. Well, thank you for ordering it, bro.
Nah, bro, thank
I appreciate
you,
it.
bro.
This is your house. I'm sorry it took so long, but
Nah, you
I've just been super busy.
Damn, bro, your FAD's clean.
Thank you, bro. You can go look at it if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. You watch my video?
Looking for videos to watch.
Oh my
Aw.
god. You gotta watch the new video.
I'm trying to get an MP40 right now, too.
Oh, really? MP40s are sick. This is a B58 one.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for ordering it, bro. Of course, man.
Thank you. Have a good
That was
one.
a good surprise.
Bro, You want something to eat, bro?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Don't get my feet, though, please.
Okay, wait, just crop it. Okay.
Thank you, bro.
There
I
you
appreciate
go.
it.
Have a good day.
It's loud enough. Alright, later, bro. Alright, we got one reaction. He was super hyped.
So nice.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
He's about to feed you.
He said,
Are you hungry?
Low-key, I'm hungry, bro.
Low-key.
I'm about to turn around. See what he can make. He was about to eat. We got one surprise. It's so dope when that actually happens. I wish we could have got more, but maybe on the next batch, because like I said, I still got like 100 orders to ship out, guys. So maybe I'll pick a few more from those. Or if anyone, like I said, there's still merch on the website. So go grab it right now, and I might knock at your door. So shop.FindingNick.com. Go cop the merch, guys. It's the least I can do, bro. You guys show so much support and love on the vlogs, on the merch, everything. So that was freaking sick.
And he gets like the merch in hand too. He doesn't have to wait for
Yeah.
shipping.
I'm about to put the hat on right now.
Hey, he paid for shipping.
Hey, bro, I gotta put gas in my car. Alright, guys, we made it back home now. That was super dope. I'm excited that we got to surprise at least one person. Anyways, we got 2 new mods for the F80, guys. Might as well install them in this video because I don't know what else to film today. They're a little difficult. I know you guys want to see more install videos of myself installing them. So that's what we're gonna do today. The reason I don't do much is because in the past, when I was trying to install stuff back on my E92, like back in the E92 days, E36 days, everything I touch, I happen to break. I don't know why. But we're gonna try to install this. It should be easy. I've installed this thing before. But then there's also something else. We got 2 new mods, like I said. Before we even unbox it and reveal it, I wanna give a huge shout out to Beamer Plug. Like always, I shout them out in every single video. You guys know Beamer Plug has been a huge sponsor of the F80. We literally have almost everything from them, guys. The diffuser, you guys remember this crazy carbon fiber diffuser? Literally the best looking diffuser for any F80. I love that diffuser. We got the side skirts from Beamer Plug. Those are sick. Carbon fiber side skirts. Carbon fiber lip. This is actually the second lip from Beamer Plug. We went with this style now, and I love it, guys. It doesn't scrape on anything. It actually sits a lot higher than the old lip. Literally carbon all over the car from Beamer Plug. And now we got two very special things for the interior, and I'm so freaking excited, guys. On the inside, all we've done is this pretty much, the e-brake, the Alcantara with the carbon fiber. It's a little dirty. This is actually from my tattoo, bro. My tattoo ointment from like rubbing up on it. But yeah, it's carbon fiber and Alcantara. This thing is freaking sick. It has like the tricolor stuff stitching. Check this out, guys. Oh my God, it's a freaking, what's it called, armrest? This thing is sick. All Alcantara with the tricolors to match the e-brake. I'm gonna replace the OEM one. This one's all leather. It is starting to age, as you can tell, but this just looks better, bro. And then, this steering wheel came with the car. It does have the tricolor stitching, which I love, but I'm not a big fan of the leather and Alcantara. Well, it's not bad though. This is definitely not the stock one. The previous owner must have installed it, and he also put a little carbon right here too, which looks pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted a new steering wheel, guys. This one's not bad, but I'm just not a big fan of the leather and the Alcantara. I got in contact with Beamer Plug, and guess what they sent out? I'm sure you guys could already guess. We got a new steering wheel, guys. Look at this thing. Sheesh, it's so fire. So as you guys can tell, it's full Alcantara everything. I think this comes off of the CS's because they have like the same stripes. It's not like a solid stripe. It's like a little 3 stripes stitching. I don't know. Really clean. I like it a lot. And of course we went the tricolor to match the armrest and the e-brake. Carbon fiber all over it. This thing is gonna look so sick, bro. I cannot wait to install this. And guys, please go show love to Beamer Plug. Go follow them on Instagram. And if you need anything for your BMW, they make everything, as you guys can tell. From the exterior of my car to the interior of my car, they have everything. They're literally the Beamer Plug. So beamerplug.com. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. Wait, what is this? Oh, they even sent the M1 and M2 buttons. That's fire, bro. See, I love the full Alcantara. I think it's just more clean. I was gonna do the one with the shift lights. I know everybody loves that, especially for like Instagram reels and stuff like that, but I don't know. To me, I feel like the shift lights looks too bulky, bro. Like when they're off, it just looks like a, I don't know. It feels like it's outdated to me. I don't know. Everyone has their own opinions, but to me, I like just the more classier look like this. This looks like a little race car. Like I said, it comes off the CS's, and even Kevin's GTS has the same steering wheel, but his little stripes here are orange. These are like gray, white. Like I said, I just want everything Alcantara and carbon in this car. So this thing literally is gonna be perfect to match. Look at that. Same stitching, everything matches, bro. The last thing I need is literally this, the e-brake and the Alcantara shift boot too. We're gonna try to unplug the battery. I'm not gonna risk it, bro. I doubt the airbag will pop out, but what if it just pops out in my face? There you go. Oh, there you go. All right. The airbag. Oh, there's the airbag. Another one. Now with the 16. Oh my God. This off. There's that. Whoa. All right, we got it off. Let's go inside, it'll be better. And I can swap everything. I gotta swap all these little electronics to the new steering wheel, so let's go do that. I think my old steering wheel was heated and I've never used it. And I don't think the new one is, because race car drivers don't get cold. Yeah, because race car drivers. Yeah, we pretty much swapped everything over. It's pretty much just transferring from one thing to the other, so it's honestly very easy. All the bolts go exactly where they were on the other steering wheel. Cool, it has like a little like line, and you line up that with this, so you know exactly how straight. I think it's some like perfectly straight. Boom, perfect. This is gonna be sick. Everything in the car is Alcantara. What?
It just blows up.
Boom!
Literally.
As you guys know, Alcantara gets really dirty. That's why people be driving with gloves, but you'll never find me driving around with gloves, bro. I think it's corny, but some people do it. I know someone's watching this vlog that wears gloves when they drive. I just can't do it, bro. We're on the street. But I get it. If you want to keep it looking nice, gloves is the wave, but On my GTR, it's all Alcantara too, and it's all messed up. So I should have wore gloves. So I'm saying I'm not hating on whoever wears gloves, but I just think it's funny pulling up someone next to it at a stoplight and they have gloves on. Like if we're on fucking.
They're driving to work.
Damn, that shit looks sick though. I'm so excited. We gotta go for a drive. I saw this thing on the counter. I think it's this little thing. Literally forgot to add that little piece, bro. Or something fell out because the button's not supposed to be doing this. Look how loose it is. It's not supposed to do that.
Step 1.
I thought we were done, dude. Alright. Oh my god. Just all that again. I didn't even film what happened, guys. So I took this thing off again. Disconnected the battery again. Put that little missing piece in. Put it back together. While I was putting the battery back on, I over tightened it. And I broke the terminal battery thingy. So now this is broken. I gotta go get a new one of these tomorrow. And also, I scratched my tattoo on the freaking trunk somewhere. On a piece of metal. And this is a fresh tattoo. So that's probably gonna get infected. Or the ink's gonna be all messed up. It's not gonna heal right. I'm telling you, I don't know what's wrong with me. This is why I don't like working on my car. Because little things, little meticulous, what did you say? Things like this, something little always happens like that. I forgot. I knew that would happen to me. Something small. And I had to do it all over again. And now I broke it. And I got cut. I'm not even gonna try to install this, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna wait till maybe another day. Also, guys, I have these NRG seats. You guys remember when I was gonna put them in my 350Z? I still have them. They've been sitting here for, you guys know how long, probably like over a year, dude. I haven't even mounted them in. The passenger one's never been in the car at all. This driver one was in the car for a little bit, and the car sat outside, so it's a little bit faded right here. But other than that, they just need like a good cleaning and vacuum, because there's a lot of like dust on them. But if anyone wants them, let me know, guys. DM me on Instagram. I want to let them go for pretty cheap. I just need them out of this garage. So whoever wants these NRG seats, they're pretty freaking sick. They're red suede on the backs. They have like a little sparkle. They're pretty sick, bro. They can literally go on any car too, so it's not just for a 350Z. It could be for any car. You gotta get the certain brackets and stuff like that. But if anyone wants them, red Prisma NRG seats, they're fire. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that vlog, probably a short one compared to the other videos. The last videos have been like 20 minutes plus, bro. I've been like really trying to film a lot. Hopefully this one is at least 10 minutes long. But if you guys did enjoy the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.